Make a great choice today with
The 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, chrome rear bumper, daytime running lamps, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.